Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and today we're going to be creating a Shades of Sunshine vase design. It's a great mix of those bright colored flowers that really draw you into the design and kind of walk you through like you're walking through a garden. So let's take a look at how we created this design. To start this vase design, we're going to create a stem grid out of Huckleberry. And we're just going to come in and create our own internal stem grid using the Huckleberry stems. I like it because it gives a little bit more of a garden look. It's more of a value foliage. It really adds a lot of impact and is very easy to use, long-lasting foliage. But here you can see that it has already created a great grid. What we've done is come across in those X patterns. So I come across one side here and then the other side there, and it creates its own internal grid. So when we place the flowers in, we're able to kind of utilize that grid rather than having to add additional mechanics. The first flower that we're going to use is the sunflower, and many times people use a sunflower and they'll put it into a design and have them facing out, kind of like I call them stop signs. So in a vase design here, what we want to do is utilize a placement that comes in more of a sideways presence. So you see the side of the flower and then it draws you into that design. So we'll place two of those sunflowers kind of coming on the one side. I'm not going to worry about that turning too much. By the time I get my other flowers in, it'll start to form more of a grid. And for my kind of finishing touches, what I can do is come in and then turn that on my final inspection. So here you can see we're using some pairs of flowers kind of coming from one side to the other. And I've got a feature flower here, adding some purple stock into this. The stock adds that strong fragrance, that spicy smell in to add that element of design. And then come in with some of the LenBusch grown Lisianthus coming out the other side. And just doing our color balance, going back and forth. The next element I'm going to add in is a little bit of the filler flower, and this is a Solidago, and I'm going to add this in kind of a triangle presence. So I'm going to come here, over in here. On this piece, a lot of these side shoots, it becomes too dominant. So what I'm going to do is take a variety of those off to make it a little bit less dominant in my design, and I'm able to use those side shoots in another piece. Sometimes some of these foliages on the filler flowers will be kind of the first to go, so I do remove some of those. I'm going to come in with this piece over in here, and then lastly I'm going to group some of these pieces, side shoot pieces, and rather than put them in one at a time, I'm going to lay them together like they're all friends, and that they become kind of the same presence as the other stems that we inserted. And rather than multiple insertions, I want to be smart with my labor, and I'm going to lay those together and just come in with that with one insertion. All right, so now I can do a little bit of twisting of that sunflower, and you can see that it just draws you into the design. And so lastly, with the stem grid, You can see that I kind of done the outer perimeter of my arrangement, and then I'm going to come in with this stronger color of this coral spray rose in through the center. That'll be a great pop of color in there and really draw your eye in. And then a little bit of a textural accent with this gorse coming in and just adding a little bit of a different influence as we're walking through our garden design on this. So here we take a look at our Shades of Sunshine designs. Just a little bit different concept, but you can see that the placement really draws you in through the design. Doing that color balance with the yellow, strong yellow focal area, and then we've repeated it with the Solidago and that triangle pattern just to draw you through that design. If you like this design, make sure and give us a thumbs up. Ask some questions, give us comments. We do have a variety of educational videos on our LBR YouTube channel. We have business, some product previews, and a variety of floral design educational videos. While you're there, make sure and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime we upload something. This is our Shades of Sunshine vase design. I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates. Thanks for watching, and I hope that I inspired you to create some fabulous florals.